Yesterday I was discussing about lymph. So in lymph, we were at this point yesterday. It drains away the excess tissue metabolism. Excess tissue metabolism means it's waste itself. Whatever the waste is produced by cells, so that is drained away. Okay. So this lymph is colorless. It is first point colorless. It absorbs and transports fat from intestine. So whatever fats will be there in intestine, it will absorb that and transport that. And third point, it drains away the excess waste, whatever waste is produced by cells. It will drain away that and send it outside. That's the work of lymph. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. So lymph, this is also a transport fluid. It's also a transport fluid. The pores present in the walls of capillaries. So capillaries are very small tubes. The pores that are present in the capillaries, from here excess food, excess amino acids, excess whatever is there in excess will come outside. So that will form a lymph, first part. And lymph is colorless. It will what it will do? It will absorb and transport fat from intestine. It drains away the excess tissue metabolism. It drains away all the waste. Whatever waste is getting released, it drains away that. Any doubts? That's about lymph. Okay. Next. Okay, most important part of the chapter, xylem and phloem. You have studied this in class 9th, class 8th. What's xylem? Xylem. Now we are into plants. Okay.
These are tissue of present in plants which help the plant to transport water and minerals from one part.
What is phloem? Transports food. Phloem, flow, food, fur. Bharatitil F. So it's easy to remember. Phloem means it will transport food. Xylem means it will transport water and other minerals, mainly water. In water only minerals will be there. Xylem, it transports water. Phloem, it transports food. Now plant needs two things for transportation. One is water flow ಕೆಳಗಡೆ roots ನಿಂತ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ parts ಗೆ. And second point is whatever food it will prepare in leaves. Food is prepared in leaves. Okay. So from that leaves, it should go to all parts of the plant or that all parts of the tree. Getting? So there are two transportations happening. One is xylem and one is phloem. Xylem means it transports water and minerals in upward direction. Now see here, this is a tree. Think. Okay. Tree, these are its roots. Here water will be there. Somewhere here. Here water will be there. Yes or no? Or here water. It transports water and minerals in upward direction. So water should go in this direction or no? It should go here to the leaves also. To each and every part of the full tree. So it transports water and minerals in upward direction from roots. From roots, these are the roots, to highest point of the plant. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು leaf ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು water to the highest part of the plant. That is the xylem. Need roots. Phloem, it transports food. So here leaves are there. Here food is getting prepared. Here food ready. Here food has got ready, getting ready. It transports food from leaves to other parts of the plant. From leaf, it will go to all the plants. Stem, roots, getting? So everything will get food from leaf. Xylem means what? Stop writing. I will give time. When I am teaching, don't write anything. Xylem, it transports water and minerals in the upward direction from roots to all plants of the body. Phloem, the food is prepared in the leaves and the food is transported from leaf to all parts of the body. Getting? So here it's going downward direction, here it's going upward direction. That's the difference, first difference. This difference has been asked many times. Any question you take from 9th standard, 10th standard, this is fixed difference. Xylem, phloem, exam or most important. This difference Okay, next. It only transports upwards. So whatever it's going, it will transport upwards. It transports downwards as well as upwards. Okay, because food can be transported anyhow. Okay, next. It works on the principle of transpiration. What is the meaning of transpiration? Anybody knows here? Most important word. Transpiration. Transpiration. So transpiration is a process where now we human beings we drink water, correct? ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಆಕೈತಪ್ಪ. Sweat means what? The water will come outside our body, things like that. Sweat, we are sweating. If I run, if we do exercise, the sweat will come outside. Similarly, now the tree is standing in the, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 40-42 degrees Celsius ಬರತ್ತೆ. The trees are standing, the trees, plants, whatever you tell, they are standing in the sunlight. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಡಿಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಶೇಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಏನದು, ನಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಶೇಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಟ್ರೀ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 hour ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಸನ್ ಅಟ್ 12 o'clock, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಯು ಗೈಸ್? 12 ಗಂಟೆ ನಿಂದ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, 1 ತಾಸು ಬಿಸಿಲ ನಿಂದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಿಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ? ಯುವರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಲೋ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Similarly for that plant or the tree, if it stands, it should stand throughout the day. Okay, so whatever water it has took from the roots, whatever water it has drained, it has come to leaf now. So from the leaf what will happen means transpiration will happen. Transpiration means whatever water it has absorbed will start getting evolved. ಹೊರಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪಾಪ 100% ವಾಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ವ್ಡ್, 70% ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೇಪರ್. Getting or no? It is a process of loss of water is happening. Whatever it has drained, ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ. The loss of water as vapor. Vapor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ದು ವೇಪರ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ವೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. As vapor from aerial parts of the plant. From aerial parts, that means from the leaves and parts of the plants. Any doubts? Transpiration. Whatever water it has absorbed in the hot sun, because of the humidity, evaporation will take place. Evaporation. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಕೆರೆ ಇರ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೇಕ್, ವೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹಾಟ್ ಸನ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? evaporation will take place. We have studied this. Yes or no? Evaporation will take place. Similarly here in plants also. Plants also absorb water. So whatever water they have absorbed in the hot sun, evaporation will take place. So this evaporation process is called as what? Transpiration. Any doubts? First point. Second, translocation. Transport of food from leaves to other parts of the plant is called as translocation. Translocation. The name itself is saying location. Translocation means transport of food. Now whatever food is prepared in the leaves, that should be transported to all parts of the body. All parts of the plant. Transport of food from leaves to other parts of plant is only called as translocation. That is very easy. Any doubts? Translocation. Food transportation from leaves to other parts of the plants is called as translocation. Transpiration means whatever the water is took by the plant gets evaporated in the form of what? Vapor from the aerial parts of the plants is called as transpiration. Any doubts? Correct ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. Transpiration, translocation. Translocation is very easy. Transfer of food from leaves to other parts of the plants is called as translocation. Transpiration, it is a process of loss of water as vapor from aerial parts of the plants. Any doubts? Okay, once again we'll go read from the beginning. Xylem phloem. Oh.
Transportation in plants. There are two transportation in plants. Xylem. It transfers water and minerals in upward direction from roots to highest point of the plant.
So it transports water from roots to highest part in the upward direction. Any doubts? Next, phloem.
Phloem. It transfers food from leaves to other parts of the plant.
So phloem means FF. Hang ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, phloem food. Phloem food. FF. flow, food. Xylem is water. So phloem, it transports food from leaves to leaves ne ready akiti leaves ne ella parts ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ from leaves to all the parts of the plants. Next.
It only transport upward.
So water can be only transported upward, but the food can be transported upward and downward, both directions. Okay, next, last.
It works on the principle of transpiration. Transport of food from leaves to other parts of the plant is called transportation.
Transpiration means evaporation will take place, water evaporation. Translocation means whatever food is prepared, it will go to other parts. That process is only called as translocation. Any doubts? This will contain major marks. Idhar sambandha question ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 9th ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು transpiration, translocation. This is a new thing that has appeared now. So every year, next year 11th, again you take xylem phloem, 100 difference ಬರ್ತಾವ. Again new differences will learn. So every year you will have a new definition. So this is a new thing for you now. Any doubts? Over. Next page. Read.
Absorption. The metabolic activities in body generates many kind of waste. It is a process in which waste are removed from our body.
Okay, this is the last one now. Respiration, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ, this is the last one. So excretion means the metabolic waste. ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ metabolic ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ metabolic activities means waste. Just now I said lymph ಒಳಗೂ ಈ word ಬಂದಿತ್ತು metabolic waste, metabolic activities. The metabolic activities in the body generates many kind of waste. So whatever ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ next ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗಲದ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು. Okay, now I narrate the sentence. So metabolic activities. So when we are doing activities, when we are eating, when we are doing all this stuff, the metabolic activities in the body and our body is also continuously growing. Correct? So there are too many wastes getting produced. So the metabolic activities in the body generates many kind of waste. It is process in which waste are removed. So all this waste should be removed from our body. So that process is called as excretion. Any doubts? Okay. So here we will study about 3 types. First, digestive waste, respiratory waste, and last, nitrogenous waste, urea, uric acid, water. So 3 types has divided the chapter. Okay. So these 3 come under what? Metabolic waste, excretion. First we'll take digestive waste. Next page. Read.
Human excretory system. It consists of 2
Kidneys.
ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra.
See here. So it consists of 2 kidneys. Two kidneys are there. 2 kidneys. Okay, hinta add rangi ma. 2 kidneys means this is one kidney, this is one kidney. Getting like that. So it consists of 2 kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Next.
Kidneys. It filters the blood and remove waste.
First, kidneys' work is to filter the blood. Whatever blood will come, it will filter that blood and remove the waste. How it will remove? Any idea how it will remove? So next page that is there. Nephrons on there. Nephrons will remove that. Okay. Now this is just a summary. Okay. So kidneys' work is to filter the blood and remove waste. It will filter the blood. Blood is worth it will filter that and remove the waste. Next.
Ureters.
See here, ureter is here. After kidney, it will enter into ureter. Kidney will filter the blood and remove the waste, then it will send to ureter.
Ureter. It drains out urine from kidney to urinary.
So whatever waste has been removed from that now, so it has flushed out here. Okay, so it drains out urine. So urine is a waste thing. Urine from kidney to urinary bladder. This is a urinary bladder. So urine has went from here to urinary bladder now.
Urinary bladder. It stores the urine.
So it stores the urine. Okay, next.
Urethra. Transmits urine outside.
So whatever waste is there, it will throw outside from urethra. Next. Read this. Self-inva.
kidney have filtration unit called nephrons.
So now we'll understand about nephrons, which is the most important thing. Why he has not told about kidney means this we have studied in 8th 9th. Kidney ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಗ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. The new thing you are learning is nephrons. So inside this kidney there are too many nephrons. Millions, billions of nephrons are there. Okay, nephrons means what you will understand now. So nephrons are the filtration unit. We know that kidneys filter the blood. How they will filter? That will study. Okay, read next. Read.
Nephrons. Nephrons are filtration units of kidney.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಾಕ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. Nephrons are filtration units. Kidneys filter the blood, but from where do they filter? They filter from nephrons. Nephrons are filtration units of the kidney. Okay, next.
It consists of tubes which is connected to duct and a cup-shaped structure.
You can see here it's a duct and a cup shaped. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cup ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. Duct and a cup. ಈ type. This is the duct. This is the duct. This is the cup. E type. This duct is. Next you will understand why I am doing this. This is the duct. That is a cup. Duct and cup. It consists of a tube. That is a tube. Tube kanatite. Tube. Which is connected to duct and a cup shaped structure. 1 second ಅದು ಹೋಗೋದಂಕ ಬರ್ಕೋತಿರಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Keep writing notes. Okay, next. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೋದ. Okay. So, read from the beginning.
Nephrons. Nephrons are filtration units of kidney. It consists of tubes which is connected to duct and cup-shaped structure.
So, duct and cup shaped.
That
That is Bowman's capsule. So, this is only Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. This is the duct shaped. That's only Bowman's capsule. Read it once again.
Nephrons. Nephrons are filtration unit of kidney. It consists of tubes which is connected to duct and a cup-shaped
Duct and cup shaped filter. Cup shaped structure that is called as Bowman's capsule. So, this is only called as Bowman's capsule. Any doubts? Okay, next.
Bowman's capsule. It is filters blood and collects urine.
See here. So from here you can see blood is entering. It filters blood and collects urine from that. So whatever blood will be there, in that only urine will be present. So it will take that blood, it will filter that, and it will collect the urine. Okay, next. Henle's loop. So after that, you can see this is a loop in straight haunted. This is only Henle's loop, yellow color. It's going like this. Henle's loop, this yellow color. In wanted noted wapas. Yellow color. After the cup, it will enter into Henle's loop now. Urine is entering. Here it will take blood. It will remove all the waste and it will take the urine and send it to water. Henle's loop. The Henle's loop reabsorption.
Glucose,
यार पावा
ammonium, acid and water.
बिल्ली आवाज उठा reabsorption of
Glucose, ammonium,
so Henle's loop will reabsorb glucose,
ammonia acid and water.
glucose, amino acid and water. Amino acid means protein will be broken down into amino acids, proteins. So Henle's loop reabsorption ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಇದ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಾವ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ Henle's loop will absorb ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫುಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ so that will be sent through what last waste, then urine enters into ureter through ducts. This is the duct ಕಾಣತೈತಿ duct ಒಳಗೆ ಪೂರಾ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ full waste will go to duct and collected in urinary bladder. From there it is connected to urinary bladder. Alin urinary bladder okay. Urinary bladder stores urine. Once again I will tell. First Bowman's capsule. In Bowman's capsule blood will enter. The blood has what? See, understand properly. One blood olaga. Think this is blood. Blood has too many things: water, urine, uric acid, urea, okay, urea, amino acid. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Amino acid, glucose. See, these are all the things that blood has. Glucose under food, water, water will be there, urine, urea, amino acid. Proteins are broken down into amino acid. So these are all there in blood. Now what should go outside our body? Only urine, waste product should go. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್, ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. These are important: glucose, water, amino acid. Water should stay in our body. 70% of our body is made up of water. Correct? So important things it should absorb. The only waste thing it should let go outside. So what it will do? First it will go to Bowman's capsule. This is there in kidney ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay. So first it will go into Bowman's capsule, blood. When blood enters into Bowman's capsule, it will filter there. Filter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಏನೇನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರ ತೆಗಿತೈತಿ. And what is important, that will keep for itself. Example, amino acid, glucose, water, it will keep there. Okay. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, it will send to where? It will send to Henle's loop. Henle's loop is this tube-like structure, yellow color. Again in Henle's loop, what it will do? Again it will reabsorb. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಾವ. Second filtration. Last, whatever is important, again it will fetch. Again it will absorb. Reabsorption will happen. Again it will absorb glucose. Again it will absorb water, minerals. Now whatever last, yards of filter ಆಗ್ತಿವೆ. Yards of filter ನ ಎಲ್ಲ waste ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, that waste will go into this duct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ duct ಕಾಣತೈತಿ, last duct. ಇದರ ಪೂರಾ waste ಅಂದ್ರೆ urine ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ urine pass ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. And here it is connected. This duct is connected to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, where only urine is collected, waste. That is how this will work. And here how many ಇದು ಕಾಣತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅದಾವ. Here nephron is connected, here nephron. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವು ಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. Here also one nephron is connected. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ one duct will have millions of nephrons. Like this, millions of ducts will be there. It is considered everything is there in one kidney. Kidney ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Getting? So in this way kidney will be filtering the blood filter ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತದೆ, waste part. Any doubts? So nephron is a filtration unit. Nephron contains a duct and a cup shaped structure. That cup shaped is called as Bowman's capsule. Okay. Bowman's capsule work is what? To filter the blood and to absorb the what minerals are adella absorb ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Then it will send to Henle's loop. Henle's loop will again reabsorb. Henle's loop will again reabsorb the minerals. Example, glucose, amino acid, water, and whatever the remaining waste is there, it will send it to the duct. Duct ಅಂದ್ರೆ last in duct. And the duct is connected to what? Urinary bladder. All the urine passes from there to urinary bladder. That's the waste will go out. Any doubts? That is happening in nephron. Most important. Every year this will come. In fixed question. Xylem phloem and nephron from excretion part. Two fixed questions for you. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೂ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು. Any doubts? Okay, next. Do one thing, take the notes. ಇದು ಮುಗಿದ ಬಿಡ್ತು ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ. Take that. Okay, last. Now we'll go to plants. Excretion plants. Till now we have seen about what? Animals. Read.
Excretion in plants. Plants remove oxygen through stomata.
So, here excretion means what? We are taking excretion in three types. Respiration also is excretion. Now in our excretion, we leave what? Carbon dioxide outside. Getting or no? That's respiration excretion. Think like that. So here, plants remove oxygen. Plants will give oxygen outside through stomata. Stomata means it's there in leaves. Leaves ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ stomata. ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. Leaves, stomata. So stomata are present here. Stomata. So from here it will give out what? Oxygen. So giving out means excretion, like that they're saying. So plant remove oxygen through stomata. Next.
Excess water removed through stomata by transpiration process.
This we have studied transpiration. Transpiration. The removal of water by evaporation method. Getting transpiration. So that's also excretion. Removal agate. Excess water removed through stomata, again by stomata, by transpiration process. Any doubts? That's also excretion. Next.
Plants also lose some old leaves and barks.
And old leaves are plants shed the old leaves. Leaves ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ತೆಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಾವ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ. They will shed themselves. ಅದೇನ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಶೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಳಾಕತ್ ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋನ ತಗೋರಿಪ್ಪ, if it becomes old it will shed by itself or no? It will fall by itself. Shed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. Getting? So plants also lose some old leaves and barks. Any doubts? So this is about plants. Plants in ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತಿ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. So the chapter is over here. Any doubts? Okay, read now. Sit and read. I will ask. Go from the beginning. I will ask everything from the beginning of the chapter.